Hey guys, this is me, Mimi Chocobi. So first, I would like to apologize if my voice sounds very slow because right now I at Sagama at my rent house with my friends, so I don't want to make any noise. But you know, my friends really like to disturb me when I'm doing a video. So yeah, this is gonna be a squishy haul video. So my friends live at Sungai Buloh, and last Sunday she called me, Akak, sini jual squishy lah, Akak nak tak? So I was just like, really? Okay, you can buy my squishy. Any design you want, random design. I say okay, but I respected that she bought me a lot of squishy that put in this bag. So this is a receipt from Sigma. So first in this plastic bag, she got me this squishy. Oreo top on it. Really smell super duper nice. So this squishy, it's like a bread. And yes, where's squishy? So this squishy. Sorry for the bad lighting. So this chocolate cupcake squishy, and this is not too squishy because it's really hard. Yeah, you can see, really hard. And this sausage squishy, it's like real, you know. I feel like I want to eat it. And also this squishy. This body squishy. Bag. So this burger squishy. And this mini cheeseburger. This yellow cake. And last this blueberry mini cake. It looks real, like real. I feel like I want to eat it. Yeah, that's it all for squishy today. Thank you guys. Bye.